Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us have considered at some point in our lives: personal loans. Whether it's for a dream vacation, home improvements, or unexpected expenses, finding the best personal loan is crucial. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Before we jump in, if you enjoy content like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our financial tips and tricks. Now let's start with number 1, Sophie. Sophie stands out as a premier choice for personal loans, distinguished by its fee-free structure, encompassing no origination fees, prepayment penalties, or late fees. This absence of fees contributes to a reduction in overall borrowing costs for borrowers. Sophie goes beyond conventional loan offerings by providing additional benefits, including unemployment protection, financial planning services, and various rate discounts. Personal loans offered by Sophie range up to $100,000, accommodating borrowers seeking substantial amounts. With terms spanning from 2 to 7 years, Sophie's loan options are flexible, catering to diverse borrowing needs. It's worth noting that for individuals seeking smaller loans, alternative lenders may need to be considered, as Sophie imposes a minimum loan amount of $5,000. Here are the pros and cons. Number 2, Upgrade. Best for poor credit, Upgrade stands out among personal loan lenders as one of the few that accommodates individuals with poor credit scores. Eligibility for an Upgrade personal loan can commence with a credit score as low as 580. It's essential to bear in mind that the interest rate you receive will be influenced by your credit score generally. The lower your credit score, the higher the interest rate. With Upgrade, borrowers have the flexibility to borrow amounts ranging from $1,000 to $50,000, and loan terms extend from 2 to 7 years. A noteworthy feature is Upgrade's ability to disburse loan funds as soon as 1 day after approval, making it a viable choice for addressing unforeseen expenses. Here are the pros and cons. Three, Lending Point. Best for fair credit. Many personal loan lenders typically require good to excellent credit, often indicating a credit score of at least 670. This might pose challenges for individuals with less than ideal credit scores. However, Lending Point offers a more accessible option by approving borrowers with a credit score as low as 600, making it a viable choice for those with fair credit, typically falling within the range of 580 to 669. With Lending Point, borrowers can secure loans ranging from $2,000 to $36,500, with terms extending from 2 to 6 years. It's important to note that Lending Point imposes an origination fee of up to 8%, although there are no prepayment penalties if you decide to pay off your loan ahead of schedule. Here are the pros and cons. Number 4, Prosper. Best peer-to-peer lender. Prosper stands out as one of the pioneering peer-to-peer lending programs in the U.S. Since its inception in 2005, Prosper has successfully facilitated over $23 billion in loans, aiding more than 1.4 million borrowers. With a well-established history and a competitive personal loan product, Prosper is our top choice for the best peer-to-peer lender. Prosper provides personal loans with amounts reaching up to $50,000 and repayment terms extending up to 5 years. While the platform's minimum APR is relatively low, it's important to note that the maximum APR is relatively high. Consequently, Prosper is likely a more suitable option for borrowers with good to excellent credit, despite having a fairly low minimum credit score requirement. Here are the pros and cons. Five, Axis Bank. Best for good credit. For borrowers possessing excellent credit, Axis Bank offers an enticing personal loan option. The APRs provided by Axis Bank are remarkably low compared to competitors, and its loans come with extended repayment terms of up to 6 years, surpassing the maximum repayment terms offered by many other lenders, typically limited to 5 years. Axos Bank allows prospective borrowers to pre-qualify for personal loans without impacting their credit, facilitating easy comparison of rates from various lenders. While Axos personal loans come with certain perks, such as pre-qualification, it's important to note that this lender imposes a relatively high minimum loan amount and charges origination fees. Despite these considerations, Axos Bank remains a worthwhile option for individuals with strong credit. Here are the pros and cons. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to the best personal loans in the USA. I hope you found this information valuable, and it helps you take the next step towards achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching.